All right, so now that we have the basic sorting done by number, height, and weight, I want to be able to sort by name, and that's a little bit different because of how the calculations are done. And it's basically because here we can use the numbers to compare the two. So we can say if the one of A minus the one of B is negative or positive, we can compare that, but we can't compare that with two strings. So we're gonna have to create a separate sorting compare function. So we'll call it function compare strings. And we'll have our two strings that are passed in. So we'll say A string, B string. And first I want to set them both to lowercase. So I'll create a new variable here, const A equals, const, A, whatever, string A equals A dot to lowercase. And then do the same thing, string B to lowercase. And then what we want to do is actually compare the two. So we'll say if string A is less than string B. Yeah, so basically converting to lowercase here. Then we can compare them. We can say, okay, return -1 here. If string B is greater than string A, return 1. And if or else, I guess, otherwise just return 0, saying that they're equal. Okay, but this isn't handling, this is only for ascending order, so I also want to pass in whether it's ascending or descending, so we'll say ascending Boolean, and we'll use our same logic here, but we'll say if ascending, return this one, else return 1, and then the same thing here, but inverted, return 1, return -1. Okay, so now all we have to do is we add another sorting here. And this time it's going to be name, which we need to add here. So we'll add name here. Probably should alphabetize those. Yeah, let's alphabetize them real quick. It's going to, once I notice it, it bugs me. Okay. And then I need to call this on the two strings. So we'll do the same thing. We'll say, we don't need to do if ascending, actually. We'll say temp array dot sort a Pokemon detail. Wait, why is it? Oh, I have to put the anonymous function in. Okay. A Pokemon detail, B Pokemon detail. And here we'll do, it's going to be a pair of strings, and the strings are going to be A.name, B.name, and ascending. Just like that. That should be enough to take care of it. This function should handle all the logic for that. Now all we have to do is go back to the table and add one more click handler here. Throw this on for name. Okay, and we'll make this .name. Okay, and let's see what happens here. Click this. Oh, did I get an error here? Let me see. Not doing anything. Let me see F12. Any errors? Nothing's happening when I click on it. Why is nothing happening when I click on the name? Let me just try seeing if it's actually hitting this. Console log. It is hitting in here. Just means our comparison isn't working perfectly. It's not it's not working for comparing the two. Oh, I haven't used B. Okay. It's fine. It's all of them are equal because I didn't set B there. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Wait, what's going on here? Is it always ascending now? Abra? Go the other way. Why aren't you going the other way? Just make sure ascending is getting toggled every time I click it. It is toggling. So it is toggling. Just looking here at the logic, string B greater than string A, ascending, return 1, return -1. Oh, you know what? I flipped both of these around. Oh my gosh. So I changed string B, string A, but I also inverted this, so it's just comparing the same two things to each other. There we go, Zubat, Abra, Zubat, Abra, okay. Another little hang up there, but overall, look at this. We got sorting going on with every single column that we care about. Very, very cool. I think eventually I would like to get these hover events working better so that it looks like it's supposed to be hovering. Maybe we can throw an icon in here that indicates that it's supposed to be sortable, but the functionality is there. We can work on the aesthetics later.